today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount on prepaid orders in Shopify. We're going to set up a discount code that customers can use when they pay online at checkout. That's typically what people mean by prepaid orders. Payment is completed during checkout rather than collected later. So this approach keeps your promotion clear and easy to manage. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to your store dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Discounts to open the Discounts area where you can see existing offers and create new ones. Click Create Discount to begin a fresh promotion. For the discount type, select Amount off order. This choice reduces the entire cart total and works perfectly whether you want a percentage, like 10% off, or a fixed amount, like $5 off. It's flexible and straightforward for most store-wide offers. Next, choose Discount Code. This is the text customers will enter at checkout. Keep it short, memorable, and relevant to the offer, and avoid personal or sensitive information in the code itself. Clear codes reduce customer mistakes and support requests. Now set the discount value. Decide whether it's a percentage or a fixed amount, then enter the number that fits your promotion. This is what actually lowers the price at checkout, so double-check the value before moving on. Find the purchase type setting and select the option that matches prepaid checkouts. Most stores will choose one-time purchase for regular online orders. If your store offers subscriptions and you want the discount to apply there as well, include subscriptions. Otherwise, keep it focused on one-time purchases to target prepaid orders more specifically. Under Minimum Purchase, select one requirement to control eligibility. You can set a minimum purchase amount or a minimum quantity of items. Pick the one that aligns with your goals, like encouraging larger carts, and enter a reasonable threshold that protects your margins while still making the offer attractive. In the Combinations section, decide whether this discount can stack with other discounts, such as product or shipping discounts. Allow stacking if you're running broader promotions. Turn it off for tighter control so customers don't combine multiple offers in ways you didn't intend. Set the active dates so the code starts exactly when you want and, if needed, ends automatically. Confirm your time zone to make sure the start and end times match your campaign. When everything looks good, click Save. Your discount code is now ready for customers paying at checkout. Share the code in your banners, emails, or social posts, and you're all set to reward prepaid orders with a smooth, professional promotion.